What's up, y'all? It's Quantity from View Twins. If you didn't know, now you know. And today I got an unboxing, a special unboxing for me because I've been waiting on this for a while to get a new microphone. I got the Blackout Yeti. You can see all black. It's one of my favorite colors. It's all black. I got all black everything. I needed a new microphone for streaming because the one I have now, which I'm gonna show you, because I'm gonna unbox this and then I'm gonna set it up and show you how I sound with the microphone. But I'm gonna show you my old microphone. It picks up every sound in the background. My girlfriend could be back there listening to music. It picks it up. I don't want that in my streams. I don't want the fan that's running to be heard in my streams. So I had to get another microphone, and I got it just in time because this was on sale on Amazon for $110. Regular price is like $150, I believe, or around there. But it was on sale, so I got it. Here it is. So let's get started. Alright, so hopefully everything looks good. Let's get started on this unboxing right now. I'm excited for this. Like I said, here's my mic. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna show you a closer look at it. I had it since 2015. 2015. I've had it for a while now. Let me just get my pocket knife out. Rip the box a little bit. How do we open this? Oh, there it goes. Tape, I ripped the box, whatever. Put this away before I cut myself. Alright, here we go. Let's get it. I'm excited. Put this down so you can see all the features and stuff. Volume control. It's different settings you can put it. And before anything, rest in peace to Kobe Bryant, the great Kobe Bryant. Rest in peace. Get my pocket knife again. Yeah, rest in peace to Kobe and all the other victims as well. Ooh, I'm anxious and ready. That's to hook it up to your PC, which I will be doing, obviously. There's instructions, manual. Damn, this thing is huge. See it? There it is in there. Get it out. This is in the box. Let me trash. I thought I would have to put it on the stand, but it came with it on the stand already. Man, this shit is nice. It smells like a new video game. You get the game out the box and you smell it like this. That's what it smells like. Whoa, this thing is big. Pause. Look at it. Get a close up to it. I'm pretty sure you could probably tighten this. Yeah, you can. There it goes. Tighten it over here too. There goes the stain. Got the blue right there. Everything is so shiny. Volume control, mute, push it. These are the different settings you can put. And there's your gain right there. So I'm gonna hook this up to the PC and I'm gonna give you guys a sound test. Hopefully it sounds good. Okay, so I got the mic hooked up. Right now I have it at the default setting, which is stereo. And it's good for vocals, so if you're a singer, rapper, anything like that, this would be what you want. I have the fan running in the back just so I can hear if you can hear the fan in the background. Like I said, my old microphone was crap and it picked up every sound. Now I'm gonna switch it to bi-directional. I'm switching it right now. Okay, it's switched. This is good for interviews, instruments, and duos. So if you duos, yeah, duets and shit like that, you know. So if you're a singer and duets, or if you interviews, you got a podcast, this would be the setting you want it on. Next, I'm gonna switch it on omnidirectional. This is good for conferences, conference calls, field recordings, orchestras, stuff like that. And then you go to the last one, which is cardioid. I'm pronouncing it wrong, but I'm switching it. Switch. This is for gaming and streaming. This is the one I'll be using. Supposedly this doesn't pick up any background noise. This is good for voiceovers, games, streaming. Like I said, Skype, Discord, podcast, and like I said, voiceovers. So yeah, this is the Blackout Yeti. So I was gonna show you my old microphone. So let me get it right now. Got my old microphone right here. Here it is right here for you guys to see. I switched the camera to my webcam, so that's why the quality is different. Here's my microphone right there. Had it since 2015. I'll probably put it on Facebook marketplace for like $20. I bought it for $100 plus, but because I got the stand and stuff with it, but I'll put it up on the marketplace. So if anybody's interested, I'll sell it to you for $20. It comes, I'll give you the stand with it too as well. But then anyway, it's been unboxing and the sound test of the Yeti Blackout. Hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this gave you, help you make your decision if you want to buy this microphone. Hopefully you heard the difference in the quality when I switched it. But yeah, until next time, we are View Twins. You're not.